With a Bitcoin update. Looks like we broke through resistance here. All right, on the 4 hour, if we zoom out on this thing, you can see, let me get these fair value gaps off here. You can see a clear breakout of this white resistance line. Let me grab my arrow right here. Okay, this white line was resistance. We got the breakout. Looks like a back test, and we should be bouncing from here. You definitely want to see it hold. All right, right. Let me show you. Zoom in on this thing. We have a major support area through here that you definitely want to see hold. Okay, right through here. This zone through here. You definitely want to see that hold up. Right, excuse me, we're right in that area now. This box, I'm going to put a box in here because support and resistance are areas, not particular price targets. Okay, you have zones of support and resistance right through here. You don't want to see it lose this area. Super important area for this thing. Okay, if it drops below 62.4, I would think maybe a fake out possibly. All right, but you have right through here. Let me mark these out. Right here is a major resistance or major support. Okay, and we also have a the top of that support area coming in right about there, right about through here. So anywhere from 62, what is that, 62.4 up to about 63.3 is a major support area. All right, don't want to see that break. That's out on a weekly. All right, our weekly RSI is just about reset on Bitcoin. Okay, the daily still bullish. We're at a 86 and a 77, and you can see that retest right here, that support area that we broke out from this white line. Okay, now the next target for Bitcoin from here, right, let's take a look and see where this thing could go. And if we zoom out here, all right, end up putting a Fibonacci on here. Major areas that we want to see Bitcoin break for the next move up to 80,000. All right, right through here. You got that 618. Let me get this so you can see the price levels. There we go. Right about 66,500. We have the 618 Fibonacci. Then we have the 702. Call that 68,000 bucks. All right, that is going to be a major area. I want to see it break 67 here. Okay, that would give me a sign that that this isn't a fake out, that we're going higher. All right, major areas. These Fibonacci areas. That's the areas you normally get. Either rejected or this thing keeps going. For instance, I'll zoom in here. This move right here. Okay, right here. Boom, boom. If we take the fib. All right, right down off of this is on a daily chart, so we're going to go right off of here. You can see this bounce down here, and this thing works great. If you're not familiar with this stuff, guys, look into a level 3 membership, and you got your B leg right up to the 618, and then you have your C leg down right here. Okay, you measure that out, you take the top of your A and put it on top of your B wave, and that gives you a C wave target. All right, that gave us a target right down in this area where we ended up coming to 56.5. Right in that zone here. Sometimes they pull up a little bit short, but this ended up being an ABC correction in here. Okay, you got your A, your B, and your C right there. Level 3 membership gets you $14.99. You get 20 videos, 9 hours of videos to watch to learn how to do this stuff, guys, and a link to our Discord where I've been posting a few trades over there today. Caspa and Fetch. Caspa looks like it's doing an ABC right now. Don't know if it's going to get that breakout or not. Fetch keeps flirting with the trend line there with the breakout, so we'll see what happens with those two. Now, on the we got the daily, the weekly, the 3-day, and the 5-day for Bitcoin. We got the 3-day RSI bullish, a 15 and an 11. That's right down here. If your blue number is bigger than your orange, you're bullish. Okay, let me pull this up a little bit. You got your 5-day. Let's take a look at that. You got your 5-day reset on the bottom, oversold, and of course the weekly almost there. Okay, and you have a bullish daily. So everything is pointing towards a possible break to the upside here. Right, the next target up here for Bitcoin, if we break through that. These big areas is going to be up at I believe it's 82,000. Yeah, 82,700. And we keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance, because when Bitcoin dominance gets up to this certain zone, you're going to see a major blast in these altcoins. All right up here at 60.44. We're up at 50, almost 55% now. All right, so obviously that would call for a hammering in the altcoins here a little bit. But you can see here, once we hit that 618, right up at about 60%. Okay, we're at 55 now. That is going to be the 618, and I'm looking for a massive drop in Bitcoin dominance. It's going to be an alt season, like unbelievable. I'm looking for Bitcoin dominance to head down to about 25.5%. All right, yeah. Can you imagine what that's going to do for the altcoins? You can see it trending right up this trend line here. And when we get to that 618, look out. You want your bags packed up here and ready to go. It's going to be the alt season. This thing, if everything goes right, you're looking at a drop here of dominance. Right about 57.5%. All right, the last bull run, the Bitcoin dominance right here, this drop here, ended up being, let's take a look and see, right about 47%. All right, and the one in 2017, wow, look at this one here. Bitcoin had 90, 98, 99% of the market back here in January and February of 2016. But look at this drop here. And if we go right from the top down, look at that, 63.5%. All right, so it's going to be an altcoin season that is going to be incredible. You're going to want your bags packed up here. If this continues on this trend line, we're looking September, October, pretty much similar to the last bull run. October, Bitcoin dominance was here in 2020. In December, January, it peaked out and it rolled right over. And you can see here, if we take the fib on this thing, let's move right here. Okay, put a Fibonacci on here. Look what happened when we hit the 618. Right about there. Look at that. Came down, bounced back up to a 618 fib, double topped, and rolled right over. That's what we're looking for over here, guys. Going to be a massive alt season. Like I said, you have until then to get your bags packed. All right, Bitcoin dominance is going to keep running up, which if you're still stacking your bags is going to be good for you, because it's going to keep prices. You're going to have coins popping off here and there, but overall it's going to keep prices down for now. And when this alt season comes, boy, oh boy, get your bags packed. And when it gets down here to 25.5%, you're probably going to be selling, getting out. So join a level 3 membership. Come over with us, and we'll keep you updated on this stuff. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon.